So this is the first installment of what is hopefully going to be a long series that's going to lead to me building, a computer from scratch in my bedroom. This will not be my first attempt. As I'm sure nobody has seen, I have tried to do this before on TikTok. Alright, I'm on my phone now, but I'm gonna actually clarify a bit more what I was talking about. So I got one of these cheap knockoff Arduinos here, and I got these one of these little cute I2C LCD displays. And what I'm trying to do with these is kind of have, like I said, like a power supply thing. I just need to, I guess, supply the power for my IC gates, which are very low. I've got like a shitty little script going, and what it does is it's just showing me what values I have set up. I have an array, the IDE, set those, and then it sequentially runs all the binary combinations of inputs, and kind of just because of the baseline voltage that's going on, it's not entirely accurate, but you can see that the voltages do fluctuate. They are noticeable. So this is something to work with.